basically just straightened it. It looks okay. So I got this little hot brush a while back from CONAIR. I got it at Big Lots because they're closing, unfortunately, but I got it on a really good deal. I really wanted to get one to try, but I was just kind of iffy, and then I saw it at Big Lots, so I'm like, what the heck? It's the universe's way of saying, you need this, you should try this. So this is what it looks like. It has a bigger brush head, a smaller brush head, and then a little concentrator. The larger one is 1 1/4 inch and the smaller one is 3/4 of an inch. So let's turn it on and scare my cat. Low and high. That's warm. It got really warm really quick. So I already, I just showered, kind of hair is like partly dry, a lot less wet than normal. And then I put in my leave-in conditioner as well as a little heat protectant, which is the Heritage Play It Cool one. I'm just gonna kind of split my hair. And we're just gonna go at it. And I'm gonna do it on high. Okay, so that's basically the hair done. It's not perfect, and I was really hoping that like the ends would be a little bit more flippy, but more curled, but it was kind of hard to try and get it to do that. It basically just straightened it, which is totally fine. It looks okay. Hopefully I got the back okay. It's an okay product. I definitely need some more practicing. I'm definitely gonna try the smaller one, and definitely gonna start with my hair way more dry. As you saw, I had to take it off and use the concentrator to kind of like blow through my hair to try to dry it more, because it was just taking forever with just the brush attachment. So definitely, I'm sure it's with any of these products, definitely start with your hair pretty dry. You're basically just drying and styling at the same time, like that final like little like 10% damp. You want your hair damp, not wet. But yeah, it worked okay. Basically just straightened my hair. It looks nice. It's like smoothed out. There's like not really a ton of frizz. I have a bunch of little like baby broken hairs, so that doesn't really count. But yeah, I think it looks all right, and it definitely looks better than my natural hair, which is half curly, half straight, half wavy, a little bit of everything. So yeah, it's definitely smoothed out, and I definitely like it. Would I recommend going out and purchasing one of these? Maybe. If you have finer, thinner hair like I do, I feel like it works pretty well. Or if you're just really good with hot tools and you know what you're doing with one of these, then yeah, sure, it's a good price point. CONAIR is sold at most places, so it's not like it's hard to find. Would I potentially buy a different brand, a different version of this? Probably not. So that is my review and test and little demo. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and comment what you'd like to see next. Or if you have any recommendations on how to use this better, definitely let me know down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!